In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a template in Adobe Acrobat. First, you need to open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is the essential first step because it allows you to access all the editing features available in the software. As the program launches, you will see a familiar interface with a menu at the top. Look for the File option and select Open. From there, navigate to the folder where your PDF is saved. Once you click on the file, it will load into the workspace. You should now see the document displayed in front of you, ready for editing. This is important because without opening the file, you cannot start making any changes. Next, you'll go to Tools and then select Edit PDF. This action is crucial because it activates the editing mode in Adobe Acrobat. When you click on Tools in the upper left corner, a menu will appear. Here, you will find the option labeled Edit PDF. Clicking this opens up a new set of tools specifically designed for modifying text, images, and other elements within the document. You will notice the options change on your screen, indicating that you are now in the editing workspace. This step is vital as it sets the foundation for all subsequent editing actions. Now click on anything you want to change. For text, you can edit directly by clicking on the text box. You will see a cursor appear, allowing you to type or delete text as needed. For boxes or lines, you can easily move or delete them by selecting them and dragging them to a new location or pressing the delete key. If you want to replace or remove images, simply click on the image and then choose the appropriate action. This flexibility in editing allows you to customize your PDF to meet your needs. Remember, these actions are essential because they give you control over the content and layout of your document. To edit form fields, you will go back to Tools and select Prepare a Form. This step is important if your PDF includes interactive fields that users will fill out. After clicking on Prepare a Form, the software will analyze the document for existing form fields. If there are none, you can easily create new fields. This feature is especially useful for customizing forms to capture the right information. Once you are in this mode, you will see all the form fields highlighted, indicating they are ready for editing. Next, click on the fields to edit the properties, such as name, size, and whether they are required. When you select a field, a Properties panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Here, you can adjust various settings to ensure that each field behaves as desired. For instance, you can change the field name to something more descriptive or adjust the size for better visibility. Making these adjustments is critical because it enhances user experience and ensures that the form collects the correct data. Finally, save the file. This is the last step, but it is by no means the least important. After making all your edits, you want to ensure that your changes are not lost. To do this, click on File in the menu and select Save or Save As if you wish to create a new file. A confirmation message may appear, letting you know that your changes have been saved successfully. This step ensures that everything you have worked on is preserved and ready for future use. With that ready, you've now learned how to edit a template in Adobe Acrobat. Thank you for watching.